What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you Uizard versus Visily, which is better. So, in this case, you might be trying to choose between Uizard here or Visily. Well, there are a few things that you may need to learn. So first is going to start with Uizard. Now, Uizard is about speed and simplicity. It's perfect if you want to create wireframes, mockups, or UI designs really fast without needing a background in design. Now, the tool uses AI to help automate a lot of the design work. So even the beginners here can work a working prototype in just a few minutes. Now, the downside here, it's a bit limited when it comes to fine-tune customization. So if you're someone who needs pixel perfect control or advanced design flexibility, Uizard might feel a bit basic here. But if you're focused on rapid prototyping and you want something that just works with minimal effort, well, in this case, Uizard is going to be a great pick for you. Next is we have Visily. Now, Visily, on the other hand, is better if you're working in a team or need to collaborate on more detailed designs. It can take your hand-drawn sketches, screenshots, or text prompts and turn them into structured wireframes, which is pretty slick here. That makes it ideal for brainstorming or converting ideas into something visual, especially during early planning stages. Now, its AI features are strong too, so it's not as lightning fast for solo mockups compared for Uizard. Still, if you need a tool that supports teamwork and turns rough ideas into organized wireframes, well, Visily is the way to go here. Now, each of this has its own edge. Now, it really just depends on whether speed or collaboration matters more to you. In this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.